was careless. She lost many things due to her careless behavior. Her father repeatedly warned her to be careful. On Christmas Eve, her father gifted her a beautiful doll. He said, "If you lose this doll, I will never get any more presents for you." Sally loved the doll. She promised to take care of it, but soon forgot about her promise. The next day, her father came back from work and saw the doll lying in the garden. Sally had forgotten to take it back in. He was very upset. He took it inside and locked it in a cupboard. Then he turned to Sally and said harshly, "I have decided never to buy any toys for you." Sally started crying. She said, "Father, I am really sorry. Please forgive me." Her father saw that she was really sorry and forgave her. Christmas had really changed her. The youngest daughter. Once, a woman had 3 daughters. The eldest was mean, the second was gentle, and the youngest was kind. On Christmas, the mother sent the youngest to get some wood from the forest. The youngest daughter roamed around in the forest. She reached St. Joseph's hut while collecting wood. She gave him her food to eat and wished him Merry Christmas. Then she slept on the ground. St. Joseph rewarded her with a huge sack of money. She went back home happy. She told everyone about St. Joseph. The next day, the second daughter went to St. Joseph's hut. She gave him some food. She was rewarded with a small sack of money. Then the mean eldest daughter went to the hut. She ate all the food and made St. Joseph's sleep on the floor. There was, of course, no reward for her. The true Christmas spirit was shown by the youngest daughters. Peggy apologizes. Peggy was a spoilt girl. She had a group of friends who were like her. They would do anything for her. One day, a girl named Gina joined their school. She was very poor. She wore the clothes which were not ironed. Everyone could see that Gina was poor. Peggy and her friends made fun of poor Gina whenever they got a chance. Gina was very upset and hurt by the girl's behavior. However, she was scared to say anything to the mean girl. On Christmas, there was a poetry recitation and everyone participated. Gina recited a beautiful poem about friends and friendship. The students were amazed because her poem was the best in the class. Peggy realized her mistake then. Gina was poor, but very sweet and talented. Peggy apologized to her for her mean behavior. Gina forgave her and they became good friends. The Christmas spirit had brought a change in Peggy. Melted Snowman. Dana peeped out of the window on a cold Christmas morning. She exclaimed in delight, "Oh, it is snow everywhere!" She called all her friends. "Let us build a snowman." They gave the snowman a nice hat and gloves. Later, they got tired and went away. The snowman felt cold. Now, an elf felt sorry for the snowman. Suddenly, an idea struck him. He made a bonfire. He took the snowman as close to the fire as he could. The snowman felt good and warm. He felt so cozy that soon he went off to sleep. The elf also dozed off. Suddenly, there was a sound. Hearing the sound, the elf jumped up to find the snowman gone. Only his hat and gloves remained. "Snowman, where are you?" the elf cried. He looked high and low. He hunted everywhere but could not find the snowman, for he had melted away.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.